Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you send crypto in Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application. And after opening the Bitget Wallet, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to select this wallet option at the bottom right corner. Tap into that, and after that you will directly get this option of send. Tap to send button, and then you have to select the crypto that you have and want to send. Just simply select that crypto, and you have to enter receiver's address into this section. And after entering receiver's address, you just simply have to enter the amount of crypto that you would like to send. You can also tap to all to send all of the crypto that you have. And after that, tap to confirm and verify your payment. And this way you can very easily send the crypto that you have from your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.